take time. Hi, Bruna. Uy, apat na po kami. Hi, guys.
Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes in my way. Come my way.
Dito na po kami. Hi. We're here. Finally here. Where are we?
Pico del Loro.
In?
Nasa Batangas.
Wow.
Let her grow and catch the flow, the rhythm shakes. It's been waiting for you right around the corner. For your mind and soul, just let it break. Can we just dance?
Hi, we're here.
Hi, Kailisa. Hi! Dito na po kami. Hello!
Hello. Finally, what time is it? Time check, ano?
4 o'clock.
4:17 p.m.
Tulugan tayo.
Pahinga muna kami.
Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes in my way. Come my way.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Anong oras na? Anong oras na?
6:30.
6:30 na po. Ang balak po namin, 6 yung swimming namin. At ngayon, nagluluto po kami.
Breakfast.
Ay.
Hi! Ginoo ko, grabe naman ito. Emergency? Mika! Hello!
Hi, Tara!
Thank you po. Nag-register ka pa?
Oo nga.
Mag-register ka na, Mika.
Hi, vlog!
Wait, tapos na-reject yun, ah. Wait.
What?
Isa na,
Pwede mo isa. Ito na lang kung
wala kang bilang card.
Wala.
Hello! We're complete na!
Insert Jason here. Ito si Jason, no?
Hi! Sweet!
Welcome to our vlog! Rachel and Mika's vlog.
Magsa-swimming na kami. Finally, it's already 10
10.
a.m.
Hi!
Taray.
Ganda ko dyan, ah. We're back!
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Swimming na kami.
Sabalong malalim.
I know you might not care, I'm losing sleep over your words that meticulously go through my
Saan ka pupunta?
Pumunta kami sa dagat.
misleading when you look like that. You should at least communicate and give it to me straight. Yeah, I'm picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. I'm looking for love, not thinking at all about it. I could be taking a hint and moving on, but I know you're scared to commit, so you.
Nakikita niyo ba to? Ayan, magbubunatan kami. Okay, kita niyo? Mabuti naman nakikita niyo. Okay, wala pa.
Shuffle mo, Gagi.
Ito na nga eh. Oh, dapat yung maganda ako dito. Palit tayo. Okay, sabay-sabay magbubunot ha. Teka lang! Para
Matira kay Miko.
yung mga tutigaw.
Ay! Uy, yung
Pangit ka dito!
Yung itim yung Ayan, maganda ka dyan.
Okay.
How do I get straight? And I know I should probably find someone who can treat me better than you, but I can't imagine someone better than you. Yeah. I'm picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. Not looking for love, not thinking at all about it. I could be taking a hint and moving on.
Going to eat.
On the way to the binyag. Charot.
Naka-white kami. And yellow.
Happy wedding, Rachel!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bruna!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy christening, Jen!
Spell.
Binyag.
Boomerang.
If you go to Canada, I'll never go out to know. I'm growing all up at my best, and I don't like to be alone. If you go, just spread your wings, and I never had to go. We were never ever on your own. Oh, I am all the things I've done. I am all the things I want. Let's go down and find the places I've never been. Ride a sunset boulevard with a top down photo scene. If you wanna join a ride, we'll be perfect on the screen. I never gave up on my California dreams. Now I am all the things I've done. I am all the things I want. Gonna think about it. Gonna dream about it. Gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel.
Mag-swimming na naman kami. Swimming time. Come on. Ah! Go. Go to the beach.
Let me hear you say, pase, oh, pase, oh, pase, 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 oh.
Kasi may session pa kami ni Ann mamaya. Wow!
Going on a beach. Ano masasabi mo, Mika?
Ihilang ang pahinga.
Sinusulit po namin.
Sulit po namin yung 1-3.
I woke up left out on the porch, making too much noise up all last night.
Tapos ako mag-swimming. Charis.
Gusto kami mag-swimming.
Hindi kami nag-swimming.
Hindi kami nag-swimming guys kasi na-enjoy namin yung sunset. Yay! Sa wala na nagsiswimming. Hindi kami bida-bida.
I woke up left out on the porch, making too much noise up all last night, baby, up all last night. Party all night long, there is minutes ago to take a second just to let the intuition happen. You see, I slowly different.
Three, go!
This is on the past time, drinking in new times, I'm having the best life. How we roll, 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 we've been dancing.
Magbo-bowling kami for the first time ko. First time ko.
Kung meron. Tinitignan namin kung meron kaming slots sa bowling.
Kami.
Kasi
Hindi mo guys. First time.
First time. Baka, instead yung bola yung gumulong. Yung
I took a shot thinking you feel the same. Gave you my heart, should've kept it restrained from that. I know that I'm the only one to blame for romanticizing or lying to myself. Wanna take it back, delete the text.
It's my first time!
Or let you tear me to pieces.
Pagod yarn. Pagod yarn.
tapos na po kami nag-bowling! Yay! Did you guys enjoy?
Couple?
Yes! It's my first time!
So, ano yung favorite yung college memories natin together? Tayong 6.
Ano, yung nag-concert of you?
Ako naman, tatanong ang sarili ko.
Di ba?
Ako gusto ko yung hindi ko makakalimutan yung after battery exam. Yung nag-amoyami! Oo. Kasi yun na yung last natin.
After battery pala yun?
Oo. Kasi pagpasok ng third year, hiwa-hiwalay na tayo na. Ikaw, Jen, anong favorite memories with college?
Ano, naghihintay pagpapasok. Time 7-Eleven.
Ayun! Tapos yan galing Blumentritt. Tapos sa rooftop. Yung may birthday.
Kaya gusto ko yung bumabag yun. Sinelebrate natin yung 8th birthday ko.
Anong favorite college memories mo natin together?
Nung nagsiswimming lesson tayo sa may Pasay. Nagbabiyahe-biyahe pa tayo.
Tapos, sinundo tayo, hinatid tayo ni
Hinatid tayo ng
daddy mo.
Ayun, matapangan.
Happy reunion to us! Happy reunion to us! Happy reunion! Happy reunion! Happy reunion to us! Oh, wait mo, mabilis mo yan. Happy reunion to us! Happy reunion to us! Happy reunion! Tukan! To us! Good morning! Good morning!
Good morning. Tulog pa po sila.
Ika, good morning.
Dahil labi ko makain ko ang camera mo.
Ika, good morning.
Tulog na ako. So guys, it's our last day here in Pico. Yung may-ari ng vlog nagluluto. So guys, ayun. Kung mayaman lang kami, mag-extend kami 10 araw dito. So guys, consideration. Mag-check out kami by 12. Breakfast lang kami, tapos diretso kami water activities. Shell, kung nakikita mo to, magpakita ka na sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak. Hoy, Shell, wag mo to i-upload na. Memories lang to. Aso yun?
Good morning po.
Mga bibi.
Hi!
Anyang
It's our last day here and we're going to the beach again. It's, what time is it?
8:14.
Yeah.
May pambayad na ba tayo?
Water activities. Yeah. Yes. Water activities and then swimming ulit. And then swimming.
Hey, let's go.
I don't mean to speak this up a line, but the way you move is perfect by design. You look just like you fell down from the sky. Yeah.
Yay! We're going to do banana boat.
Morning po.
Apa.
Hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed. Just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. It's been a minute since I found someone who makes me wanna know a thing about love. But oh my God, I'm seeing the stars with you. Tend to keep myself from diving in. I got fed up with the same question, but oh my God, I'm falling hard for you. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed. Just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck.
Hi guys, kumusta naman po kayo?
One more please.
Oh, lalala!
Kasi yung banana, yung banana.
An, ikaw naman mag-hi. Jen, are you tired? More.
Want more.
Di ba mainit no, Mika? Di ba?
With you, where did this come from? Lightning in my lungs, oh my God, don't you ever stop. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come.
We're done.
Yes, we're done. Ay, kasulta ka pala. Parang wala na yung pasalun.
Pag kami nag-swimming. Are you happy?
Yes, 2 hours left.
2 hours left before our checkout time.
Yeah. So we're gonna prepare. So our flight will